there, guys. Have you ever wondered what it takes to make any girl beg for your attention? Imagine standing out effortlessly and leaving her wanting more. Today, I'm going to share with you 12 simple tricks to make any girl beg for your attention. And trust me, the last one is a game changer. So let's dive right in. Rule number 1, don't rush to apologize. We've all been there. You make a mistake and your instinct is to apologize right away. But here's the thing. Rushing to apologize can sometimes make your apology seem less genuine. Instead of appearing sincere, it might come off as a habit rather than a true acknowledgement of your mistake. So take a moment to really assess the situation. Understand what went wrong, why it happened, and how it affected her. When you approach the conversation with empathy and a willingness to understand her perspective, your apology will be much more meaningful. This thoughtful approach can lead to deeper, more authentic connections and stronger relationships. Rule number 2, take time to respond. When you're interacting with a girl you like, whether through text, in-person chats, or online messages, resist the urge to respond instantly. Pausing before you reply shows that you're thoughtful and considerate. It signals that you value the conversation and are taking the time to think about your responses. Just make sure you don't leave her hanging for too long. You want to keep the conversation flowing and show genuine interest. A timely, yet considered response can make all the difference. Rule number 3, make decisions yourself. Confidence is incredibly attractive. Show that you're a capable and decisive individual by making decisions without constantly seeking approval or validation. This means taking the lead on making plans, choosing activities, and handling various aspects of your life independently. When you demonstrate self-assurance in your decision-making, it conveys that you know what you want and can take charge. However, be sure to balance this with consideration for others' preferences and opinions. Assertiveness combined with flexibility is the key to maintaining healthy and respectful relationships. Rule number 4, avoid asking why. Constantly questioning a girl's actions or decisions with why can come across as interrogative or overly critical. Instead, try to understand her perspective and adapt accordingly. For example, instead of asking, "Why did you do that?" you could say, "I'm interested in understanding your perspective on this." This approach fosters open communication and encourages meaningful dialogue. By asking open-ended questions, you create an environment where she feels comfortable sharing her thoughts and feelings, leading to mutual understanding and stronger connections. Rule number 5, leverage fear of missing out. One powerful way to capture a girl's interest is by creating a sense of excitement and intrigue. Showcase engaging activities, events, or experiences that you're involved in. For instance, share stories or photos from fun outings with friends or interesting projects you're working on. This can spark curiosity and a desire to be part of the action. However, make sure you're genuine in sharing your experiences. Avoid exaggeration or bragging. The goal is to create genuine interest and excitement, not to manipulate or deceive. Authenticity is key to building real connections. Stay tuned for the rest of the tips, including the ultimate game changer that will make her truly crave your attention. Each of these strategies is designed to help you stand out and create a lasting impression. So let's keep going and discover how you can make any girl beg for your attention. Rule number 6, attract with your achievements. This one's all about showcasing your accomplishments, goals, and ambitions. Imagine you've just landed that dream job, aced a challenging exam, or finally hit that fitness goal you've been working towards. Sharing these achievements isn't just about bragging, it's about demonstrating your value and confidence. People are naturally drawn to ambition and dedication. So when you highlight what you've achieved, you're showing that you're driven and focused. But here's the key. Balance is everything. You want to talk about your achievements with humility. It's not just about you. It's about recognizing and supporting the other person's goals too. So when you share your wins, be genuinely interested in her accomplishments as well. Encourage her, show support, and create a space where you both can celebrate each other's successes. This mutual respect and encouragement can be incredibly attractive and foster a deeper connection. Rule number 7, always look your best. First impressions matter, and how you present yourself can make a big difference. This isn't just about wearing the latest fashion. It's about grooming, attire, and overall appearance. When you take care of how you look, it shows that you respect yourself and pay attention to detail. Think about it. When you dress well, you're not only boosting your confidence, but also making yourself more appealing to others. This doesn't mean you have to wear a suit all the time. It's about dressing appropriately for the occasion and finding a style that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Pay attention to personal hygiene. Choose clothes that fit well and reflect your personality. And remember that looking your best is a form of nonverbal communication that says you care about yourself and those around you. Rule number 8. Send mixed signals. This one's about creating a sense of mystery and unpredictability. Imagine you're watching a suspenseful movie. It's the unexpected twists that keep you hooked, right? The same principle can apply to relationships. By occasionally sending mixed signals, you can keep things exciting and maintain curiosity. For instance, you can show genuine interest and engagement in conversations, but then subtly create some space by not always being immediately available. This ebb and flow can keep the other person intrigued and wanting to know more. However, use this strategy sparingly and thoughtfully. The goal is to create a healthy balance of engagement and mystery without confusing or hurting the other person's feelings. It's about keeping the spark alive and the interest piqued. Rule number 9. Hide your feelings. This rule is about maintaining an air of mystery by not revealing all your emotions and intentions too quickly. Think of it as peeling back layers of an onion, gradually revealing more about yourself as the relationship develops. While it's important to be genuine and authentic, showing too much emotional vulnerability right away can sometimes lessen the excitement and challenge of getting to know you. Instead, share your feelings gradually and in appropriate contexts. This allows the relationship to grow naturally over time. Striking the right balance between openness and restraint can help build a deeper connection based on mutual trust and understanding. Rule number 10. Don't look for approval. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and it comes from within. Constantly seeking validation or approval from others, including the girl you're interested in, can come across as needy or insecure. Instead, focus on being true to yourself and your values. Make decisions based on what feels right for you rather than trying to please others or gain their acceptance. Trust your instincts and have faith in your abilities and choices. When you're self-assured and confident in who you are, it naturally draws people towards you. Remember, confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and owning your unique qualities. Rule number 11. Turn negatives into positives. Life is full of challenges and setbacks, but it's how you respond to them that matters. Adopting a positive and proactive mindset can make a significant difference. Instead of dwelling on the negatives, focus on finding opportunities for growth and improvement. For example, if plans fall through unexpectedly, see it as a chance to explore new activities or spend time pursuing personal interests. This optimistic approach is not only contagious, but also incredibly attractive. It shows resilience and the ability to adapt, which are appealing qualities. By reframing challenges as learning experiences, you can demonstrate your strength of character and inspire others with your positivity. Rule number 12. Reflect on yourself. Continuous self-improvement is key to becoming a more attractive and well-rounded individual. Self-reflection involves introspection and honest assessment of your strengths, weaknesses, and areas for growth. Take time to reflect on your goals, values, and personal development. Consider what qualities you admire in yourself and seek to enhance those while addressing areas that may need improvement. Set aside regular time for self-reflection, whether through journaling, meditation, or meaningful conversations with trusted individuals. Embrace personal growth as a lifelong journey of self-discovery and improvement. Investing in self-awareness and personal development will make you more confident, interesting, and appealing to others. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.